All right, parents, as your children get involved with sports, you want to make sure that they're safe. And one thing you don't want to forget is the mouth guard.
Dr. Kurt Kaser is here to tell us about the importance of the protection for facial and mouth injuries. Dr. Kaser, I'm so glad you're here because I have to tell you, my son Keegan is in soccer. And he had a fall just the other day. So he was fine, but I think this is a really great topic. So you're here to kind of tell us the importance of protecting our mouths, our kids' mouths in sports.
Yeah, and it's really important, especially like football, sports, real contact sports, but a lot of sports in general. And getting a good custom-fitted mouth guard really helps out from that aspect. There's different types that you can get to, from the store, but even coming in, and what we've started is a program to try and address that with youth sports of getting people custom-fitted mouth guards as well.
And I know we're saying youth sports, but
Yes.
Who exactly should be wearing these mouth guards?
Yeah, most sports in general. I know if you go to even the American Association of Orthodontists website, volleyball, soccer, football, a lot of sports that you wouldn't think of as well too. We've actually made a lot for some of our patients who do jiu-jitsu as well, right? And so a lot of different sports that it comes as a part of.
Like you said, that you may not have thought about.
Yes, yeah,
Right.
exactly.
So we're talking about these guards are going to protect our mouths, but
Yes.
what kind of injuries are they going to prevent and things like that?
Yeah, a lot of times you'll see the front teeth either get fractured off or broken or even sometimes knocked out with contact. I played football, so I saw that a little bit more often than what I would like as well too.
Yeah.
So this really protects, and for our patients who have braces on, even the fact of the metal brace being up against the lips, that it protects the lips and the cheeks as well from really getting trauma.
So is there different types of mouth guards depending upon what sport or what you're dealing with, like you said, with braces or something else? Is there different things that go with different people?
Not too much. I think it's just getting a custom fitted one.
Okay.
Right, that's really the big key to that. One that fits in. There's some that you can heat up that we do in office for a lot of the youth program, and it's just contouring it so it fits that person's mouth specifically. That helps so it's at least more comfortable and tolerable and covers what needs to be covered.
Well, I love that Ortho Pros has really kind of made it their mission to protect our kids' mouths, and there's actually like a program that you have. So
Yes.
tell us about that.
Yeah, so we've just started actually this year with a few of the football teams around town, and really we want to get the word out for anybody, coaches or anybody involved, that we're willing to give free mouth guards and custom fit mouth guards for any of the youth sports around town as well. So we've started that. We really want to get the word out in that respect, and we're hoping that it takes off, and we would love it if we could get everybody a custom fitted mouth guard.
Now, if somebody is out there, a coach or a parent or somebody that's involved with one of the youth sports, how do they get involved with the program? Do they just reach out to you?
Yes, yeah, and our phone number, which I think that they'll
Yep.
put up at some point, really just call that number,
Okay.
and we'll follow up, and we'll hopefully get the program in place. Yeah.
Great. So, okay, we have also some pretty exciting news today. So you're teaming up with the University of Arizona Wildcats.
Yes.
So tell us about that partnership and the news that you have.
Yeah, so we thought it was a perfect fit. Again, youth sports, which we're really involved in, that I was involved in growing up. Just fantastic. We love the U of A, and we love everything they do. And then a big part of it, too, was we had come up with the idea, we really want to make it fun in the office for braces. And we had come up with the idea to do a brace that's the Block A for the University of Arizona.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
cool.
so it's taken a while. There's Wilbur.
I
getting
can
his
see
toothbrush.
that Wilbur got
Yes.
his checkup, thank
Yes,
goodness.
he got his checkup, and now we have the Block A. That's actually a brace for the two front teeth that we can put on a lot of the kids.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, as
You know
part of
that's
the
going to
brace.
be very
Yes,
popular
it's
around
been.
here.
We just started about a week ago where we actually had them manufactured in an office, and we've done a ton of them already of swapping them out. Yep.
Well, I had braces when I was younger, and I didn't have anything cool like that. We had
Yeah.
the different colors that I got to
Yes,
do,
yes.
the
Right.
orange and black for Halloween and stuff like that. But I
Yes.
totally would have done something like
Yes,
that.
yeah.
So it just shows that you guys are really community-oriented. You guys really care about the kids and the sports, and you guys are tied with U of A.
Yeah.
How does that feel to be so in with the community?
Yeah, it feels really good, and Tucson is such a wonderful city and community in general that we feel really happy about giving back to that and trying to even integrate ourselves more into the youth sports aspect.
Absolutely. Well, I know we're talking a lot about sports today, and we're talking a lot about protecting youth from injuries, but you're kind of a full-service orthodontics
Yes.
place anyway, so
Yeah.
we can bring our kids for braces, and do you do adults as well?
Yes, adult treatment as well, and Invisalign. A lot of adults are interested in Invisalign. We do a lot of Invisalign, and like you're saying, full service for everybody. We have a lot of adults who go through orthodontic treatment as well.
Well, I'm really glad that you are coming in and talking about, not about everything that you're doing, but specifically we're talking about the mouth guards. I know even just driving to my house, I see all the kids out. They're all doing the practice and getting ready for whatever sport that they're doing. So this is really a hot topic on parents' minds. So if they want to come in and get one of those custom guards, can they also, again, just come in and let you know, make an appointment?
Yeah, exactly. Just call the office and we'll get it set up with you to come in and do a custom fitted one.
Yeah, I think that's the best route to go. Like you said, it fits better, it's more comfortable for the kids, and we know that they're being protected. We have the helmet, we've got the elbow pads, the knee pads, we can't forget about the mouth guard. Even for those sports, like we said, that you don't normally think, call and see if that's something that you would recommend.
Absolutely.
Well, Doctor, I think this was a great topic today, so thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely, and to learn more about the Ortho Pros Mouth Guard Clinic and that Block A braces, which is totally cool, call 290-8787 or visit orthopros.tucson.com.